Right, so complex combination breakdown. We've got 4 phases to this complex combination with defense in between each counter spot. So we're going to start off with the catch body. So we're going to start with a defensive move for the body shot. So defending that on the forearm right there. From the first defense off the catch body, we're going to do 4 counter punches. Starting with that uppercut, we're going to double up the hook, and then we're going to finish on the cross, right? So that's phase 1 of this combination. Catch, 2, 3, 4 counter punches. Then we go into phase 2. We're going to start that with the slip. So she's finished on the cross. We're going to slip to the outside, defending the jab. From there, we're going to come back with 3 counter punches. Cross, hook, cross, just to stand it off that slip, right? So from the top, phase 1, catch body, 4 shots. And then phase 2, slip, 3 shots. And then from there, we're going to go into a pull. So for the pull, again, she's defending the jab. She's going to simply lean back, right? Straight line, lean straight back, get the upper body out of range. And we're going to just come back with 1 straight power shot right there. Just classic Mayweather Mittwork style. So to go back to the start, just to recap the first 3 phases. So we've got the catch body, 4 shots there. Then the slip, 3 shots. And then the pull, and then the straight right, okay? So there's your first 3 phases. We've got the catch, the slip, and the pull for defense. Off the catch, we've got 4 counter punches. Off the slip, we've got 3 counter punches. And off that pull back, we've just got 1 straight right hand. Before I get to the last bit, I just want to remind you, like and subscribe to the channel. Leave any questions in the comments below. Hit the bell notification, then you'll be notified of the new videos coming out each week. So the last part of this combination, we're going to add in a roll, right? So she's going to defend the hook by going under the punch, right? So I'm throwing that lead left hook. From there, we're going to go with 3 counter punches again. 2, hook 2, and then from there that brings us off that cross right back to the start, and we can repeat with that catch body, and then we start looping from there, right? So that's how you can kind of loop it and keep it going and turn it more of it into an endurance combination. So starting from the top, we're going to try and go through all 4 phases, just nice and slow on tempo. Catch, 1, 2, 3, 4, slip, 1, 2, 3, pull, right and roll, bam, bam, bam. There it is, right? So now we can challenge the speed and the intensity, staying set with the feet and just working the hand speed. Go. Bang, 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 bang. Nice, good. So there we have it with just a little bit more speed and intensity. Now we're going to slow it back down, and I'm going to show you how to loop it. So as soon as that last cross-up cross has landed, I'm coming back in with that body shot, and then we can go again. Okay, so just steady on the tempo. Just going to try and loop it now for like twice through the whole thing. So I'll catch 4, slip 3, pull 1, 3, and then back in. Pull, bam, 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 bam. There. So just off the roll, right, left, right. Yeah. So 2, 2. Yeah, there we go. Perfect. All right, so a quick example there how you can loop it back in. As soon as you get back to that cross-up cross off the roll, back to the body shot, put it on a loop, and see how long your clients can do on that. Real good test of their concentration levels, punch variety, defensive reactions, and most of all, importantly, when you start looping it, how long they can go, keeping that speed and intensity up. Really builds a shoulder endurance. Try that out. Any questions, leave them in the comments. Check out this video here, Mayweather Mittwork Explained, one of my most popular videos. Breaks all this stuff down in even more detail and in depth. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one.